How to make home screen auto-rotate on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can auto-rotate your home screen in your Android device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your settings application from your device. You will see a similar page like this. Scroll below and tap onto home screen. As you do so, scroll at the bottom of the page, then toggle on the option that says Rotate to Landscape Mode. Once you toggle it on, go back to your home screen, and this is how you will be able to rotate your home screen to a landscape mode. And if you carry your phone vertically, you will be able to see this default setting of home screen. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.